Disclaimer: staying at home and away from other people, social distancing. Only leave your home if it's essential. You should only leave or be away from your home for very limited purposes, including shopping for basic necessities, for example food and medicine, which must be as infrequent as possible, one form of exercise a day, for example a run, walk or cycle, alone or with members of household. Any medical needs, including to donate blood, avoid injury or illness, escape risk of harm, or to provide care or to help a vulnerable person. Traveling for work purposes, but only if you can't work from home. Even when doing these activities, you should be minimizing time spent outside of the home and ensuring you are 2 meters, 3 steps away from anyone outside of household.
Hi everyone, my name is Belly.
And Alex.
And if you are subscribed, that's wonderful. We are in a lockdown, therefore we cannot go to Asta, but if you can see, it's very close to here. It's at the end of this road. What we're doing is to show you exactly the way to the beach, because we're allowed to do one walk per day, and that's what we are doing. We are not used to this, but we decide to record what we're doing. And we're with Choco now. Say hi, Choco. If you can see around, Alex is recording over there. The streets are pretty quiet. Everything is closed. This is a noodle bar. It's very good, but of course everything is closed. It's pretty difficult because I understand the people that is working there, they cannot work anymore, but the government is giving up to 2,500, that is, it will be the 80% of the salary of every person that can work for this situation. In my other video, I record that street, the other one, and if you can see there is KFC, you have Domino's as well. I spoke about this before. I mentioned that we are like 10 minutes to the beach. The majority of the places are open just for delivery or for collection. Like this one, it says delivery only. We decided to change the path because I think that this way is different and it's nicer. So maybe let's see how it's going. Actually, everything in here is pretty quiet, as I mentioned before. That's why I don't think that it's worth it to go that way again. And that's why we changed the path. So last time we were through, this is the roundabout in here. So we walked straight till the beach. But now, look, this street is very nice to live. Look. Look, there are plenty of hotels. So the majority of the hotels in Bournemouth that are close to the beach are in this street. This is the Grove, Miramar, and Hollywood something as well. There are a lot of hotels in this street. So if you want to come to Bournemouth and if you are staying here, maybe you will stay in one of these hotels because they are pretty common. And it will be good that you can see the way to go to the beach from here. This is the end of the road that I mentioned. The previous street is the same, and you can see here a lot of hotels as well. the views over here are incredible. I don't know what I did in my life to come to this place because it's amazing. I mean, Venezuela is beautiful, beautiful as well. But in Venezuela, I never live too close to the beach like in here. I mean, 5 minutes and I'm on the beach. I can't believe it. What do you think? Do you like it? Today is super sunny. Do you want to know what time is it? 4:40 p.m. And it's incredible. I'm really enjoying this. I was scared about to go out, you know, I wanted to respect the law, and that's why I'm doing this one. And now we have to say bye because we are just coming here to do some exercises and going back home. We are not staying here longer. I'm so happy, so glad that the people in here is respecting the restrictions. If you can see, there is no one at the beach, just the people that is actually doing exercises that as the government has allowed. So if you have anything that you want to see, if you want to say something about Bournemouth, just let me know in the comment sections down below. And thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.